Hi everyone, welcome you all. Hope you all are good. And today I have assigned a new activity to your class, and in this activity we are going to create our own game. Okay, sound interesting? Yes, so let's get started. Let's click on sign in. Okay, so let's click on sign in, and you can see we are going to build a star or build a galaxy with code. Okay, so let's give our hand to try now. Okay, now this is lesson number 1, and we have a video. Okay, you can go ahead and watch this complete video. Okay,
Hi, I'm Kathleen Kennedy, and I'm the producer of Star.
you can watch complete video. I'm not going to do that. So we need that scrap metal BBA. Can you get it? So this is the message. Okay, now what you need to do is, actually we have written some piece of our code previously in. So here is our first lesson, in which we have to collect a piece of a scrap. Okay, so instead of that colored block, now we have a block uh, which is little bit plain but are straightforward. You can see the message: move right, move left, move up, and move down. So whenever you write or drag a block to your workspace, and automatically you can say automatically code is generated. You can click on show text to view the code. Okay, now you can see we have a function move right. Okay, so don't worry about this, we are going to use a blocks for it, and soon in Python we will learn how to create these functions and how to write a code, right? So now what we are going to do, we are going to give a command move right one time and one more time. So these are the two instructions. If I click on click, so obviously this is going to collect a scrap. Okay, let's click on OK. Now you can go ahead and write some piece of a code. I'm going to do very quickly, so that my video is not that long and you do not face any problem, right? So okay, let's quickly get. Okay, let's correct now. Move right and then move up, come back down, and then move right. Okay, so these are the piece of a code. Okay, these are open-ended questions. You can do it in any way, but the goal is to complete it. Okay, so these are the simple sequence of instruction we are passing to our BBA. Okay, so now watch this video.
Inside the blocks we've been using are JavaScript commands. JavaScript is the most popular software language for professional developers today. Blocks are a great way to get started learning to code, and in fact, top universities like Harvard and Berkeley start teaching this way. But once we've learned the basics, engineers or commands show below where you're typing.
Okay, you can go ahead and watch the video. I'm not going to do it. So now what we need to do, we need to collect all the pieces. For this we have to move down, then to the left, then to the left, then down, then down, then left. Okay, I can type it. Okay, let's say move down and then move toward the left. Okay, it is not move left. Okay, I'm going to copy this piece of a code, move left and then move left, and then we have to move down, and see, it is much faster than dragging and dropping, and then we move toward the left. Okay, so now see, give this thing a try. You can obviously write in this way also, instead of a dragging and dropping is easy for beginners, but ultimately you have to write code, so you have to practice typing. Okay, so that your typing is fast and you can do things much quicker. Okay, so let's run this. Okay, so left, okay, only one time left, okay, two time left. Now let's run this piece of a code and see. It is okay to commit mistakes, because in this way only we learn. Okay, now you can also do it. I'm not going to do it. Okay, now in this lesson we are going to learn events which we have already learned in many exercises, but here you can see a pure form of a JavaScript where we have written a function. Okay, function when up is a event, okay, which will be raised whenever you click on this button, or you click on or press up keys. Okay, and similarly when down will be raised when you press a down arrow key or you press down button. Okay, now so let's do that. So go up and go down, and let us view the code. Okay, so now here is a plain JavaScript. Okay, so function will create a function. When up is the already event. Okay, so when this event is, or this function is called, or this function is triggered, your go up function is executed. That means your robot R2D2 will go up or down. Okay, so let's do this and press this. Okay, so keep on pressed, you can see. Okay, so this is really very simple. We are handling event. Okay, according to the user wish, your robot is moving or your program is following. Okay, now let us go ahead and write some more code. Similarly, you can do rest of the exercise. I am going to do one for you. Okay, let's do it. So when get stormtrooper, I should be remove points. How many points? I should be removing 200 points, right? And when I get a rebel pilot, I should be adding 100 points. And when you get a mock, okay, let's add points, and let's add 200 points. Let us try and executing this program. Okay, so in this way you can write the code. I'm seeing sign of increasing activity on the planet. Add 3 puffer pigs, okay, to the planet, then go get them. Okay, so add a puffer pig and add a puffer pig and add a puffer pig. Okay, so this is it. And okay, let's run this. Okay, so this is really very easy. Now what we have created some items by writing some code. Okay, so it says when you get a tauntaun, make 2 or more mylogs. Okay, so what we are going to do, add a character mylog and add a character mylog. Okay, 2 or more mylogs. So basically I will be adding 3 mylogs. That will be fine. Okay, paste and get 8 mylogs. In this way I have to get 8 mylogs. Okay, so let us run this program. See, this is really fun. Okay, so I have created some of the mylogs and cached some titans. Okay, so let's go our next lesson. There are multiplying. Can you make 2 or more mouse droids? Okay, so when get a mouse droid, okay, every time I have to do gets one mouse droid. So basically what I'm going to do, add a character mouse droid or add a character mouse droid. Okay, I'm going to make 3 mouse droid, as well as I'm going to add some points. Let's say this. Okay, now let's run this program and try to catch. Okay, now you can see it's really easy. Now similarly complete all the exercises and then you will reach to this video. Watch this video completely. So watch this video.
Hi, my name is Alice, and I run the product and engineering teams here at code.org. And I worked on this tutorial that you're playing through right now. And you just made it to the last level. Congratulations. You just learned everything you need to know to make your own Star Wars game. Now, there are no more instructions, no puzzles to solve. You can make your own game, and you choose how it works. One more thing. You've unlocked new sounds and new commands to do even more.
So here are some of the commands, and you can create a game of your choice, and whatever you create, you run it, and okay, and then you can show it to me or pass the link. Okay, after clicking on finish. Now if you click on finish, you can see this is your link, this is the game you have created. You can just copy and paste it on WhatsApp or on Google Classroom. Okay, and you have 2 days to do that, right? Or in my YouTube channel comment also you can post these codes, right? So best of luck, and hope you will enjoy creating game, and some very good games will be created by you all. And at the end, when you click on finish, you will get a certificate. Okay, you have to, there will be a text box in which you can write a name, and after writing a name, click on submit, and your certificate will be created, and you can share with your friends using Facebook, or you can simply print it. Okay, you just click on print and you can see my certificate is created with some name. Okay, thank you and happy game creation.